In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a battery widget in Monday.com. We'll walk through the full process of adding the widget to your dashboard, connecting it to the right data, and adjusting the settings so the progress is easy to understand at a glance. This is a great option if you want a simple visual way to track completion, status, or overall progress on a board. To get started, open your Monday.com dashboard. Make sure you're on the dashboard where you want this widget to appear, since widgets are added directly to that specific view. Once you're there, look for the option to add a new widget and click Add Widget. A widget gallery or search area will appear. In the search bar, type Battery. This will help you quickly narrow down the available widget options instead of scrolling through the full list. When you see the battery widget, select it and add it to the dashboard. After the widget is added, the next step is to connect it to the correct board and the correct status column. This part is important because the widget needs a data source in order to display meaningful progress. Choose the board that contains the items you want to track, then select the status column that reflects the progress or stage of that work. If your board has multiple status columns, take a moment to pick the one that best represents the progress you want the battery to measure. Once the connection is in place, adjust the widget settings so the progress display is clear and useful. Depending on your setup, this may include refining how the battery calculates progress or changing the visual display so it's easier to read. The goal here is to make sure anyone viewing the dashboard can understand the battery without needing extra explanation. A clean, readable setup works best, especially if this dashboard is shared with a team. When everything looks right, save your changes, then review the battery progress display on the dashboard. Check that it reflects the correct board data and that the visual progress matches what you expect from the selected status column. If needed, you can make small adjustments to improve clarity. And that's it. You've successfully added a battery widget in Monday.com and configured it to show progress in a simple visual format. This can make dashboard reporting much easier to scan and understand, especially when you want quick insights without opening the full board.